Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. Today's lesson is about the alphabets. So now let's start today's lesson. أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم. The first letter is Alif. Alif. Ba. Ba. Ta. Ta. Tha. Tha. Jim. Jim. Ha. Ha. The alphabet Ha will be pronounced from the middle of your throat. Basically, while pronouncing the Quranic alphabets, the throat is divided into three portions: upper throat, middle throat, and lower throat. So now Ha will be pronounced by the middle throat. The next alphabet is Kha. Kha. Kha will be pronounced by the upper end of your throat. Upper end means the end of your throat which is close to your mouth. So now we will pronounce it again. Kha. Kha. Dal. 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 Ra. Ra. Za. Za. Sin. Sin. While pronouncing Sin, you will produce a whistling sound because the pronunciation of Sin will not be appropriate if the whistling sound will not produce. So now let's pronounce it once again. Sin. Sin. Sheen. Sheen. Sod. Sod. In Sod, there will be no whistling sound. Whistling sound is the major difference between Sin and Sod. In Sod, there is no whistling sound. Sod. Bod. Bod. Ta. Ta. Va. Va. Ain. Ain. Ain will be pronounced by the lower end of the throat. Lower end means the end which is close to our lungs, by which is close to our lower body. So now the next alphabet is Ghain. Ghain. Ghain will be pronounced by the upper end of our throat. Ghain. Fa. Fa. Qaf. Qaf. Qaf will be pronounced boldly. Letters like Kha, Ra, Ta, Ghain, Qaf. Such letters will be pronounced boldly. Ra is pronounced boldly in some conditions. Inshallah, we will learn this in the next videos. So now, Qaf. The next alphabet is Kaf. The difference between Qaf and Kaf is Qaf is pronounced boldly. On the other hand, Kaf is pronounced a bit gently. Kaf, Kaf, Lam, Lam, Mim, Mim, Noon, Noon, Vav, Vav, Ha, Ha, Hamza, Hamza, Ya, 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 ya. So this was today's lesson. Now let's recall it again. Alif, ba, ta, tha, jim, ha, kha, dal, ذال, را, زا, سين, شين, صاد, ضاد, طا, ظا, عين, غين, فا, قاف, كاف, لام, ميم, نون, واو, ha, hamza, ya, ya. Hope so today's lesson will be a good, and let's meet inshallah in our next video. Jazakallah.